How do JavaScript function expressions create private scope? Imagine you're building a secret room in your house where only you can access certain things. In JavaScript, function expressions act like that secret room, keeping some information hidden from the outside world. When you create a function expression, it makes a new little environment inside your code. Variables declared inside this function stay inside, and no one outside can see or change them. This is different from function declarations, which are more open and accessible everywhere. One popular way to use function expressions for hiding things is with an immediately invoked function expression, or IFI. Think of it like a quick, one-time secret mission that runs right away. When you write an IFI, it runs immediately and makes a private space for your variables. For example, you can have a counter that keeps track of numbers, but nobody outside can see or change it directly. You only get to change it through specific functions you give access to. This way, the counter is private, safe from outside meddling, and your code stays tidy. Named function expressions are another handy tool. You can give a function a name, but that name only exists inside the function itself. For example, if you name a function internal, you can use that name inside the function for recursion or self-reference. But outside the function, that name isn't available. It's like having a secret nickname only the function knows. This helps keep your code organized and prevents accidental access to internal functions from outside. Understanding how function expressions create private scope is super important for writing good JavaScript code. It helps you keep your variables safe and your code clean. You can hide details that shouldn't be accessed directly, which makes your code more reliable and easier to manage. This pattern is especially useful when working with modules or asynchronous code, where you want to keep some data private while exposing only what's necessary. So, to sum it up, function expressions create private scope by making a new environment where variables stay inside. Using ifs, you can run code immediately and hide variables from the outside. Named function expressions keep function names inside, so they're not accessible from outside. These techniques help you control what parts of your code are visible and what stays hidden, making your JavaScript more organized and secure.